Okay.
Hey, came in about a year back with our Chevy Suburban. We came here just for an oil change, and they did a very thorough inspection. We ended up getting a lot of work done. It was all warranty work, but they said they caught everything. A lot of work done to it. Ken was our service advisor. Did very, very helpful. Kept us abreast of the situation. Came out a very happy customer.
And what was your name?
Keith.
Keith, what's your last name?
Fitzpatrick.
Okay. How do I stop it? Just hit it again.
I think it's still counting. I hit it again. We'll have to crop it.